Thanks for checking out our DashSkin door insert video install guide for 2005 through 2009 Ford Mustang. Our product is engineered to replace the sagging door panel vinyl, resulting in an OEM look that lasts a lifetime. What comes with your order? You'll receive a pair of molded door inserts, a tube of RTV silicone glue, and a detailed installation guide. You will also need a clean rag and props that will hold the inserts during the curing process. Here are some items we recommend: a level, a PVC pipe, a metal pipe or conduit, or a wooden plank cut to length. A prop rod is great if you have one. You will also need a scraping tool such as a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver. And finally, some cleaning supplies like a degreaser or isopropyl alcohol. To keep things simple, we recommend working on one door at a time. Begin by peeling the original vinyl material from the door panels where the inserts will install. In most cases, the adhesive that holds the vinyl to the door panel is already weakened, so if there are any loose edges, you can start peeling from there. If you have any edges that need persuasion, pinching the material with some pliers will make pulling it off much easier. Use a plastic scraper or flathead screwdriver to scrape around the edges of your door, making sure there is no stray material or glue residue left. Any remaining debris could interfere with the installation process, so take your time to clean these areas thoroughly. Spray some industrial degreaser or isopropyl alcohol on the door panel, and scrub off as much dried adhesive residue as possible to leave a clean and even surface for the inserts to stick to. A scrub sponge or firm bristle scrub brush works best. Before installation, test fit your door panel inserts to ensure proper alignment by using a figure 8 movement around the insert. Position the insert over the door panel and apply firm pressure to one side of the middle portion, keeping one hand in place as you proceed. Use your other hand to gradually press along the lower part, ensuring the insert fits snugly into the seams while working toward the other side of the armrest. Continue pressing horizontally across the armrest toward the hand that's holding pressure. Then move upward along the seam, pressing the insert along the top until you return to the starting point. This process ensures a secure fit before final installation. Apply the glue as shown in the picture above. Lay a bead around the perimeter and the opening of the insert for the tightest possible bond in these areas. If this is your first install, you may tend to over-apply the silicone. Apply a light bead of silicone in the pattern specified, and remember you can always retrace your path with more after you complete a lap. After applying silicone adhesive to the back of the door panel inserts, carefully align the insert over the door panel. Once properly aligned, gently set it into place. Begin by firmly pressing one side of the insert's middle section while stabilizing the insert with your other hand. Next, gradually press along the lower edge, working carefully to ensure the insert securely adheres into the seams toward the opposite side of the armrest. Continue applying consistent pressure horizontally across the armrest area, moving toward your stabilizing hand. Finally, proceed upward along the seam, firmly pressing along the top edge until you return to your initial starting point. Ensure all your windows are rolled down. Then lean through the window and firmly hold the installed door inserts in place while closing the door. Next, move to the other side to prepare to set up the props. Prop one or more objects of appropriate length with towels on each end against the door panel insert to hold it flush against the door panel for the duration of the cure period. For best results, use a telescopic tension rod if you have one, but if you don't, no worries. You can achieve excellent results by using something you already have around the house, such as a piece of wood, PVC pipe, a tennis racket, or any other sturdy object that can hold pressure against the panel. The goal is to keep the insert pressed firmly against the door panel while the adhesive cures. Alternatively, if you choose to remove your door panels for installation, simply place some weights, 10 pounds or less, on top of the inserts for the duration of the cure. This method allows gravity to apply even pressure across the entire surface, ensuring a strong and secure bond. Once you've installed the first door panel insert on your chosen side, simply repeat the whole process for the opposite door. Allow the adhesive at least 6 hours to cure before driving your vehicle. If possible, leave the vehicle overnight for the best results. This extra time ensures the silicone fully cures and hardens. You can clean your door inserts with a damp rag or degreaser. Avoid using rubbing alcohol or cleaners containing alcohol on the insert. By following these steps, your DashSkin door inserts will be securely installed, restoring a fresh and modern look to your vehicle. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at 918-940-8900. We are proud to be an American-made company, and all of our products are backed with a lifetime warranty. Thank you for choosing DashSkin.